Friends, welcome to Abhivakti India's Future Classroom. In today's episode of Quantitative Aptitude, we will see some tips, tricks, and techniques of solving the problems from time and work. Welcome to Excel in PO examination. Here is the first question on the screen. A and B together can complete a particular task in 4 days. If A alone can complete the same task in 12 days, how many days will B take to complete the same task if he works alone? Now here A and B together can complete a work in 4 days. Let there is 100% work and A and B finishes the 100% work in 4 days. Therefore A and B can finish a work in 1 day, that will be equal to 100 by 4, that is 25%. So A and B can finish 25% of work in 1 day. If A alone can complete that same task in 12 days, A finishes it in 12 days. It means A can finish a work in 1 day, that is equal to 100 divided by 12, and that is 8.33%. So the work completed by B alone will be given by A plus B's 1 day's work minus A's 1 day's work, that will be equal to 16.67%. 25 minus 8.33, that is 16.67%, and this 16.67% work is done by B in 1 day. So for 100% work, how many days will be required? So it will be 100 divided by 16.67, and that is equal to 5.9 days, and 5.9 days means it is 6 days, and therefore B will take 6 days. Here friends, you have to check with the options because we are using something the approximation method. So check the options. 5.9 days you are getting, it means 6 days is the correct answer. Next question is Nita and Abhilasha can do a piece of work in 10 days. Nita alone can do it in 12 days. How many days can Abhilasha do it alone? Now here Nita and Abhilasha together they finish the work in 10 days, and Nita alone can finish the work in 12 days. Let there be 100% of work. So here it can be done as Nita and Abhilasha can work in 10 days. So Nita and Abhilasha takes 10 days to finish the work. So in 1 day they will finish the work 100 by 10%. It means it is 10% in 1 day. Nita alone can do a work in 12 days. So in 1 day she will finish 100 by 12% of the work, and 100 by 12%, it means 8.33%. Now we have to find the Abhilasha's work. So in how many days Abhilasha alone can finish the work? So you will get it as Nita plus Abhilasha work minus Nita's work, so that you will get Abhilasha's work, and that is 10 minus 8.33. So it will be 10 minus 8.33, and that you get as 1.67% of the work. Means Abhilasha alone can finish 1.67% of a work in a day. Now to finish the 100% of the work, how many days she will take? It will be 100 divided by 1.67, and that is equal to 59.88. So for 100% work she will take 59.88 days. It means she will take 60 days. If it is rounded, you will get that Abhilasha alone can do a work in 60 days. Now the next question is, A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B and C in 15 days, C and A in 20 days. How long would each take separately to do the same work? A and B together they take 12 days. B and C together they take 15 days, and C and A together they take 20 days. Let there be 100% work. So A plus B will finish 100 by 12%, 100 by 12%, that is 8.33% in one day. Similarly, B plus C will finish 100 by 15, that is 6.66% in one day, and C and A together will finish 100 by 20, that is 5% in one day. Adding this all the three, you will get twice of the A plus B plus C is equal to 19.99%. That is 20%. One day's work. Therefore, A plus B plus C together will do 20 by 2, that is 10% of work in one day. It means A plus B plus C, all the three together will finish 10% of work in one day. Now we have to find A's work. So A's work will be equal to what? A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, it's one day's work, minus B plus C, it's one day's work. So A plus B plus C, its one day's work is 10, minus B plus C, its one day's work is 6.66, and therefore it will be equal to 3.34%. And since A one day's work completes 3.34% of the work, then for 100% A will take 100 by 3.34, and 100 by 3.34, that is equal to 29.9, and which is equal to 30 days. So A will take 30 days alone. The B's works, you will have to write A plus B plus C minus, you want B's work, so minus A plus C's work, A plus C's work. So A plus B plus C's work is 10% minus A plus C's work, that is 5%. So it will be minus 5%, so which is equal to 5%. So B alone will do a 5% of work in one day. Therefore for 100% work B will take 20 days. 100 by 5. Now similarly for C's work, it will be A plus B plus C minus, you have to find C's work, so minus A plus B, so it will be A plus B, and so C's work will be equal to A plus B plus C's one day's work is 10% minus A plus B, its work is 8.33% in a day, and that is equal to 1.67%. So C can finish 1.67% of the work in one day. So for 100% work, C will take 100 by 1.17, and that is equal to 50 days. So A will take 30 days, B will take 20 days, and C will take 50 days. Now friends, it's your time. Try yourself that two women, Ganga and Saraswati, working separately can mow a field in 8 and 12 hours respectively. If they work in stretches of 1 hour alternately, Ganga beginning at 9 am, when will the mowing be finished? Second question is 8 men and 16 women can do a piece of work in 8 days. 40 men and 48 women can do the same work in 2 days. How many days are required for 6 men and 12 women to do the same work? Friends, here are few suggestions. Just click on the link to watch the videos. I hope you must have enjoyed it. If yes, please do not forget to like it by pressing a thumbs up button. Do not forget to share it with your friends, and the most important is that do not forget to subscribe so that you will get updates right into your mailbox. And finally, visit us at www.excelinpoexam.in so that you will get more details. Thank you very much. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.